What is up, guys? In this video we're going to be installing the Death Star 2.0. Step number 1, head to the account section at pocodeathstar.xyz and choose the download HUD files option when you've selected the HUD that you'd like to install. Simply save the .exe file to somewhere that you can access easily. Now, try and avoid the temptation to run the installer immediately. There is a small change to the configuration that we have to make in order for the installer to work correctly. For most of you, this will be C drive, program files, hand to note, but it may be that you've installed hand to note on a different drive. As you can see in this case, we're at S drive, program files, hand to note. Either way, we need to find this installation directory. We need to go into hand to note, then config, and we're interested in this templates folder. This templates folder contains information regarding font coloring, and we need to delete this folder before running the Death Star installer. So let's click delete on the templates folder. Now we're good to run the .exe. So we're now here in the downloads folder. We can see the .exe we downloaded earlier. I'm going to run this. Now you may sometimes get a warning message. It's nothing to worry about. It's just saying that Windows doesn't recognize this particular .exe. So if we go to more information, we get the option to choose run anyway. Then we get taken to the installer interface. Let's click yes in the prompt, and now we have our installation dialog. So notice that by default, the installer is pointing to C drive program files. In 95% of cases, this is going to be where your hand to note folder is located. But it doesn't guarantee that this is where your hand to note folder is located. We've seen in our case that it's actually located on the S drive. So it may be necessary to make some changes. Once that's done, we can run the installer. So we've skipped through the actual installation. It now tells us setup was completed successfully. Let's now fire up hand to note. We'll just make sure everything's working correctly. If we go to the HUD editor, we should be able to see the newly installed Death Star HUD available from this drop-down box. If we go to switch, we can see the different Death Star profiles. We can see the Star Destroyer, TIE Fighter, Tidarium. As long as you follow the instructions carefully in this video, everything should be working at this stage. If not, have a look at the manual at pocodeathstar.xyz because there'll be some troubleshooting information in the case that your installer is not working as you'd expect. Alright, thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Death Star HUD.